And I remember me and my cousins who were twins were speaking in Arberesh, and my little cousin who I'd never met before wouldn't speak it. He didn't speak it. And I felt it was such a shame, and I just started speaking. And there was a point in my youth when I just stopped speaking Italian to my cousins, because I was like, we have to just reverse this shift. And much like my colleague and friend Paul said, you know, we have to do a lot of work to reverse language shift. And for some people this is ideology based, or it's kind of policy based. For other people it's this kind of work at home that you have to do.
What is it for you?
For me it's speaking to my family in our language and not using Italian. But I use Italian when I'm tired, or sometimes, or when I have to explain things that we don't have. This is like, I'm even avoiding myself saying where we don't have words for it, because I believe in translanguaging. So languages, especially in diglossic situations, bilingual situations, have domains, and certain vocabulary or certain languages used for one situation and the other one is for another one. And ours is typical that the house and the basic things are Arberesh, well, what we'd say Albanian lexical material, or a source code. And other things like talking about university work, how you make the documentary, cameras, things like this. And the outside of the village life, this is Italian. And we have a really interesting situation where the Italian is Sicilianized. So I do that, but I notice myself consciously trying not to shift like the whole conversation, because that happens as well. So if the whole conversation shifts into Italian, it's a problem for me.